What's up, Hedera Hashgraph coin holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The Hedera Hashgraph price will starting increasing 1%, my friend. The Hedera Hashgraph price is increased in last 24 hours, so I think it's really good news, my friend. And yes, my brother, at this time Shiba Inu will get 30% profit in last 12 hours. So I can't expect this from Shiba Inu, but today will suddenly starting moving upward like that. But this time you can see your all crypto market is comfortable and every coin will starting moving upward. So I think this is really good news for all of you to Hedera Hashgraph. It's also get 1% profit. Definitely when a coin will start moving upwards, so the all credit goes to holders and the team of coin, my friend. So this time Hedera Hashgraph will starting increasing, but you can see, my friend, they will just an only temporary firm. So don't worry, my friend, if you are starting selling, so they were completely fails down, and absolutely, my friend, if you are starting holding, so they will more moving upward. So therefore this all credit goes, my friends, to holder. If you are starting buying, if you are starting selling, so that's all. Just in only I cannot make any financial video. I just advise you. That's all, my friends. Please research it personally. All right. So thank you so much. All right. So this time, my friend, the price is hit now 0.5 USD dollar. But if they just only get 5% profit, 5% profit. If they will increase 5%, my friends. So I hope they will hit now 5 USD dollar at the end of month. Otherwise, my friends, a lot of holder ask me to win. They will hit now half USD dollar. So therefore, I will notify you, my friend. Otherwise there is no target, my friends. So they will hit now in this target, this time there, this target. But please try to understand, if they just only get a 5% profit in 5 days, I'm 100% sure they will hit now 0.5 USD dollar. All right, so thank you so much, Hedera Hashgraph holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel, please, for more videos.